you will learn about harvesting of crops. Look at these wheat seedlings. How long do you think they will take to ripen? A cereal crop like wheat or rice takes around 3 to 4 months to ripen. So what do you think happens after the crop is ripe? Once a crop is ripe, it needs to be cut properly. The cutting of a crop after it has ripened is commonly known as harvesting. How do we cut the crop? We cut the crop close to the ground using a sickle or pull out the crop.
The sickle that is used in farms has a sharp, serrate-edged metal blade.
The blade is curved and is attached to a wooden handle. However, a sickle is used only if the harvesting is done manually. These days, a machine called the harvester is also available. Harvester helps to cut the ripened crop from the field. Using a harvester is less expensive than manual harvesting because a harvester can cut the twigs with grain spikes, which then fall onto the ground. These twigs are collected manually or collected by the machine. What is the next task after harvesting of crops? The harvested grains are enclosed in chaff, a hard casing that is dry and scaly in nature. The chaff, which is lighter than the grain, needs to be separated as it is inedible. Threshing is the process of separating the grains from the straw and chaff. A harvester and a thresher can complete the entire process of harvesting and threshing within 2 to 3 hours for 1 acre of crop. Threshers were used in the early 19th century. Nowadays, we make use of a combine. How does a combine work? A combine is a combination of a thresher and a harvester. A combine cuts the crop as well as separates the grains from the chaff. Combine is not used by all the farmers. Farmers with small land holdings employ a process called winnowing for separating the grain from the chaff. What is winnowing? Winnowing is a process in which natural wind is allowed to blow through the grains. As a result, lighter substances such as chaff and straw fly away, whereas the grains, which are heavier than the chaff, fall to the ground. Farmers can also opt for a winnowing machine. A winnowing machine has a fan that blows the chaff away.